So now observe the picture. Spread some sawdust or mustard seeds or sand on the diaphragm of a tabla. Knock on the diaphragm lightly with a finger. What do you see happening as long as the tabla makes a sound? And what happens when the sound stops? What do we understand from these observations? So what we have to do, on the diaphragm of the tabla we have to take some sawdust or mustard seeds or a sand, and just we have to knock it. So what we observe, see here on the diaphragm of tabla, if we knock it lightly, what happen? It starts vibrating. When we knock it lightly, it starts vibrating. It keeps on vibrating till the sound is produced. And as it start vibrating, the sound is produced. Yes. And what happen? It keeps on vibrating till the sound is produced. Due to these vibrations, sawdust or mustard seeds or sand particles, they show some movement. They show some movement. But when the sound stops, these particles also stop their movement. Understood everyone? So as we knock it lightly, that it start to vibrating and sound is produced. As sound produced, as it vibrate, that mustard seeds also show some movement. And when the sound stop, that movement also stops. Okay. Now in all these examples, sound is produced. So because of which reason there have some medium, that is diaphragm of the speaker, the rubber band, or the diaphragm of a tabla. Okay. Because of this reason they produce the sound. It shows some movement. For rubber band also, when we pluck it, it show the movement. So that is, they have certain kind of motion. They have certain kind of motion. They oscillate rapidly. Yes, oscillatory motion we observe here. In rubber band you observe it clearly. Up down movement is there. So that is oscillatory motion. So in other words we can say they vibrate. They can vibrate. Okay. Understood everyone? So this vibration, because of the vibration sound is produced, or because of the sound they show the vibration. Now use your brain power. When a metal dish falls on the floor, it makes a loud noise. Yes. Now in our home also, by mistake, if the metal dish fall, then it create a loud noise. What do we do to stop the noise? What do we do to stop the noise? What is the effect of that action? Okay. So what happened? Okay, that we have to find. Yes, what we do to stop the noise? See, when the metal dish fall on the ground, there are vibrations produced due to its fall. It create a vibrations. Therefore, we can hear a loud noise. To stop the noise, we touch the fallen dish and stop its vibration. As vibrations stop, the sound also stop. Once the vibration stop, the sound also stops. Understood everyone? Yes, because of the vibration, it create a sound. So because of the vibration, sound is produced. So what is the reason behind for the production of sound? That is vibration. Vibration is very important. Now see, the vibration of an object is necessary for the production of sound. As long as object vibrates, the sound is heard. When the vibration stops, the sound also stops. Okay. The object due to which sound is produced is called the source of that sound. So for making a sound, we need some source, and the object because of which sound is produced, that is called the source of that sound. Now try this. The sounds of sitar, a bell, water that drops from a tap, a saucer that breaks on falling down. What is it that vibrates when these sounds are produced? Now the sounds of sitar or bell, ringing bell, have you heard that sound? Then the drops of water from a tap, or if there is a saucer fall, then it create a sound. So what is the question? What is it that vibrates when these sounds are produced? So in this example, all the sounds are produced due to vibrations. Now in sitar, the strings are there. strings vibrate, so the sound is produced. Then water dropping on the floor creates a vibration. That water creates a vibration and hence they make a dropping sound. Then saucer breaks upon falling down. So each piece vibrate and create a sound. Okay, now next part, do you know? Acoustics, the science of sound. The science of sound, resonance, including the production, propagation, and effect of sound is called the acoustics. What is the spelling? Acoustics. Acoustic is what? It is the science of sound in which there is having the production, propagation, resonance, the effect. These all things are called acoustic. The intensity of sound is measured in a unit called decibel. So what is the unit for sound? Decibel. In short, it is written as a dB. Decibel, dB. Okay. The vibration of the vocal cord in our larynx or voice box also produces sound. So if we observe the structure of our voice box is there, see larynx near our throat. They are having these all things. The voice box is located in our throat. The quality of the sound produced in the larynx depends upon the tautness of the vocal cord. Tautness of the vocal cord. See, trachea is there and on that they are having the voice box, vocal cords, and are the sound production of the or our quality of the sound is produced in the larynx and it depends upon the tautness of the vocal cord. So this is about the acoustics. Understood everyone? Now let's try this. Take a pot filled with water. At home also you can try this. Take a pot filled with water, strike it lightly on its rim. With the help of the spoon or just with your finger you have to strike it. Okay, like a striker. For on a carom board we are doing a striker. We are playing with striker. So like that you have to just strike on that rim. Now what do you see? What are waves form on the water in the pot? So here what happen when we strike that pot with full of water, the waves are seen in the water. We observe some waves. See, observe the picture also carefully. There we observe some waves. These are the vibration that pass into the water. These are the vibrations that pass into the water. The vibration caused due to striking, it causes the waves. On a river also, in the river also or lake also, if we throw the stone also, there also we observe the vibrations or waves generating in there on their water. So same thing happen here. Understood this example? You can try this at your home. Now the next part, how sound is heard. Now production we have seen. Now how we can heard this, that we will see in a next period. Okay. Here we complete the today's parts. Today we have studied about that how are sounds produced. That is production of sound we have studied today. I think everyone have understood. First read out the lesson properly. Write down the new words in your CW and complete your CW. And in last period I gave one experiment for completion. Now again today also you have to complete the next experiment that I will show now. So today you have to complete the experiment number 11. So that is heat energy. What it is? Heat energy. In last period I said to complete the experiment number 9. Now today you have to complete the experiment number 11. Understood everyone? So write it properly, complete your CW as well as journal. Okay, thank you.